The family of a Navy SEAL who was shot to death outside a Soho restaurant in Tampa almost 6 years ago is sending a letter to Governor DeSantis asking that the case be assigned to a new prosecutor. 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser shows you what's behind that rare request and why relatives say justice has yet to be served in this case.
We have evidence that is undeniable.
Hannah Fager wants a jury to weigh the evidence in her brother's death. Former Navy SEAL Timothy Martin, shot during an argument at the Soho Backyard Bar and Grill, died hours later.
We are asking Governor DeSantis to reassign this case.
Local veteran advocate Travis Horn is now helping Fager, sending a letter to Governor Ron DeSantis and a copy to Attorney General Ashley Moody, asking for a new prosecutor.
We believe that the original investigation failed on a number of levels.
Tampa Police, as well as Hillsborough's former and now current state attorney, Andrew Warren, have all declined to file charges, citing Florida's Stand Your Ground law. The family is not the only one frustrated, Warren's office said as part of a statement. Investigators say the restaurant's owner, Jeffrey Glenn, killed Martin after an argument over a former girlfriend. Martin, they say, had sent threatening text messages.
In the same context, if you read his text message thread, he says, "I'm just venting. You know I would never hurt anyone."
Fager is now suing in civil court. The judge in that case recently ruled against a stand your ground defense. Although the burden of proof is higher in criminal court, Fager thinks that's yet another reason for another look.
I really would hope that the governor would be able to notice the facts, that there is information and that there is a ruling from a judge.
We asked the folks here at Soho Backyard if they had anything to say about the letter now being sent to Governor DeSantis. They told us they nor their attorneys would have any comment.
Fager's civil trial is set for August 16th. At a pretrial hearing Thursday, the defense is expected to ask the judge for a gag order, if granted, ending Fager's public campaign on her brother's behalf, which is why she's speaking publicly now, asking for a new prosecutor now.
I'll be devastated. I feel it's my right to be able to speak for my brother who never got a chance to speak for himself.
Fager accuses Tampa police and prosecutors of making what she calls glaring mistakes and omissions in her brother's case. So far, no word from the governor or the attorney general's office. We'll let you know if they get a response.